Hey there, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Tonight we are at the Courtyard, the Marriott Courtyard on the Plaza in Kansas City, Missouri. We are in a one-bedroom suite, specifically 507. It's December of 2021. And if you don't know, the Plaza is famous for its Plaza holiday lights in Kansas City, Missouri. And so we'll talk to you about that in a minute. But this is a one-room suite, and it's a very small, slightly, at the moment, slightly dated courtyard because it's in a very old apartment building on the Plaza. And so this particular room, 507, does join 508. So if that's important to you, remember those numbers and request those rooms. They do offer coffee supplies and a little mini kitchenette. That is a sleeper sofa. This particular room faces north, south, and east views, including the famous Nichols Fountain, and off in that direction is the Nelson Atkins Art Museum. This armoire is your closet. Okay, so every holiday, the Kansas City Plaza, which is a huge entertainment and shopping district, does feature its plaza lights that come on Thanksgiving, and they stay on through the new year. One thing about this room is there's only one overhead light, so you literally have to find your lamps to turn everything on. Again, that's because it's a very old building that's been redone. So you have tiny rooms, old windows, but it's cozy, a little dated, but cozy. And there you have some of the plaza lights. And if it were a little darker, they'd show up more. But basically, this entire shopping district, there's a lot more you can't see because of this building. All the buildings are outlined with those lights. Okay, so there you have it, the Marriott Courtyard on the Country Club Plaza in Kansas City, Missouri, one-room suite. So we'd love you to subscribe and help us build our channel. We hope we've been helpful. So always feel free to leave comments or questions. And thank you for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo.